Do you love the Holy Prophet of Islam sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Now ask yourself, how would you feel if anyone changed his words? Angry? Good, because that is exactly what some scholars have started to do. Here are 3 editions of Sahih al-Bukhari in front of us. 2 were printed in Saudi Arabia, while the 3rd in Indo-Pak. First edition. This is in Urdu, by Darussalam Publishing House, Saudi Arabia. In it, Book of Virtues, chapter Khatamun Nabiyyin, is written with a fatha on letter ta, and Hadith 3535 read, Ana Khatamun Nabiyyin, with a fatha on ta. Second edition, in English, also printed by Darussalam. Same thing. The word Khatamun Nabiyyin is written in the chapter title and the Hadith with a fatha on ta. Now the 3rd edition, in Urdu, published by Etiqad Publishing House. Same chapter, same hadith, but the word Khatam has been changed to Khatim with a kasra under ta. Allah Almighty has mentioned in the Holy Quran that some Jews used to change and pervert the wordings of their religious scriptures. In a hadith, Rasulullah prophesied that some Muslims will copy the Jews in every way. Now ask the scholars who gave them the authority to change the words of Rasulullah.